स्कूल गए तो मास्टर भी कहन लगे जे कि मम्मी पढ़ी नहीं होती है तो अपने बच्चा का स्कूल नहीं भेजती। ते हमके नितिन कुमार तुम जाइयो अब कहियो जाए हमारी अम्मा मम्मी पढ़ी नहीं है पर हम स्कूल में यहाँ भेज रहे हैं, भैया खूब पढ़ा हो जाएगा।
Women taking up agarbatti rolling for an income is changing the lives of more and more families in these villages. But possibly none so radically as Sunita Devi's. This agarbatti center, a village source for ITC's Mangaldeep brand, collects finished agarbatti sticks and delivers fresh raw materials to the women. Sunita has been a supplier since 2007 and brings her finished agarbattis every week. Working at home, she rolls over 70 kilograms of sticks every month. Bringing home 12 to 1300 rupees each month. Yet, before she took up agarbatti rolling, Sunita Devi was a woman beset with troubles. Her husband Radhe Shyam passed away in 1997 from sudden illness, leaving her this small hut, 2 bighas of land and 5 young children to feed.
खाने का नहीं, अब कपड़ा नहीं, जो हमारे बच्चन तीर जो हमके जब मनवा अपने सोचने लगे जब ख़त्म हो गए तो कि जब हमारी बिटिया जब सयानी हो जाई हैं तब 4 मीटर कपड़ा कैसे ले पे जो बिटिया कपनी पहन दे वो।
Like these women, Sunita Devi had to work as a farm laborer, raising a family day to day. She lost one of her daughters to illness. To marry the elder daughter, Sunita Devi went deeply into debt. It was Pooja Varma who motivated Sunita to take up agarbatti rolling to increase her income. Trained and supported by ITC, Pooja runs the agarbatti center in Sunita's village. Like these women, Sunita was trained at the center to become a roller. The center serves 250 women in 7 villages.
पहले टरेंगी ने भाई थोड़ी बनाई, फिर थोड़ी थे फिर ढेर ही बनावन लगे, फिर हफ्ता में यहाँ पैसा मिलने लगे।
Once she had a weekly income, Sunita Devi joined a microcredit group linked to the center. In 2 years, she was free of debt. Instead, she had savings. The family moved from their shack to the brick house Sunita made in 2009.
एक साल हमने मकान बनाई, आषाढ़ में मकान जोड़ाई, अब चैत माह स्लेप डारी, अब फिर घूम के बैसाख माह राम निवास की बारात करी।
To celebrate eldest son Ram Nivas's wedding, Sunita didn't have to borrow and was able to give her younger sons a good education. Ashish Kumar is in class 11 in the local government school. Nitin Kumar, the youngest and a topper, is in class 9 in a reputed intermediate college in Hardoi town. Ram Nivas left school after class 10 to start earning, to add to the family income. Sunita's regular income and savings have enabled them to spend on improved seeds and fertilizers for her fields. They now grow 2 crops a year, rice and wheat, and get a higher yield.
में अगरबत्ती बनाई के हमने पैसा खेती में लगाया, पहले हो रहा है शुरुआत में यहाँ 2.5 कुंटल जैसे 5 कुंटल 2 बीघा में यहाँ धान, अब जब पैसा लगाओ अगरबत्ती बनाई करे, तब वही में वे 8 कुंटल धान।
Sunita's cow is a proud acquisition. With daughter-in-law Saraswati at home, Sunita's life has come full circle.
Rise and call
The boys will study and stand on their own feet.
us.
With training from Sunita, her daughter-in-law too will have an income of her own. Sunita Devi knows that their change for the better has come to stay.
अगरबत्ती बनाइए थे न हमका फायदा भाई, जो हमारी गरीबी दूर भाई, जो गांव की महिलाएं रहीं वही बनाई रही अगरबत्ती, उनका सबका फायदा भाई।